Many of us have a tendency to limit ourselves, believing that we can only achieve certain things, but the truth is, we all have untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. To begin, we often limit ourselves and our abilities, thinking that we can only do certain things. But in reality, we are capable of so much more. Have you ever felt like you were meant to do something great, but just couldn't seem to find your way? Or maybe you're stuck in a job that doesn't fulfill you and you feel like you're not living up to your potential. These are common feelings that are often accompanied by a sense of frustration and self-doubt. An unpopular viewpoint to consider is that maybe the reason we're not living up to our potential is because we're too focused on trying to fit into society's expectations of success. Society often defines success as making lots of money, having a prestigious job title, and accumulating possessions. However, true success may actually be about following our passions and using our unique talents to make a difference in the world. When we focus too much on external markers of success, we can lose sight of what's truly important. We begin to believe that our worth is tied to our job title or income, and we forget that we have so much more to offer. But when we tap into our hidden talents and passions, we can create a life that's fulfilling and meaningful. Of course, it's not always easy to break free from societal expectations and pursue our true calling. We may face criticism or judgment from others, and we may even doubt ourselves along the way. However, the rewards are worth it. When we follow our passions, we're more likely to be happy and fulfilled, and we're also more likely to make a positive impact on the world around us. To discover your inner unknown talent, start by paying attention to what comes naturally to you. Often, we overlook our natural talents because they come so easily to us. For example, if you're someone who enjoys solving puzzles or problems, you might have a talent for critical thinking or analysis. If you're someone who is naturally organized and enjoys creating systems, you might have a talent for project management or logistics. Take some time to reflect on the tasks that you find easy or enjoyable. And think about how you can apply those skills in new and creative ways. Another way to spot your hidden talents is to ask for feedback from others. Sometimes, other people can see our talents more clearly than we can. Ask your friends, family, and colleagues what they think your strengths are and see if there are any patterns or themes that emerge. You might be surprised by the insights that you gain from others. Trying new things is also an excellent way to discover your hidden talents. By stepping outside of your comfort zone and trying new experiences, you can learn more about yourself and your abilities. Don't be afraid to experiment with different hobbies, activities, or projects. You might discover a hidden talent that you never knew you had. Reflecting on your passions is another way to identify your hidden talents. Our passions are often closely linked to our talents. Think about the things that you love to do and how you can use those passions to develop new skills and talents. For example, if you love playing music, you might have a talent for composing or songwriting. If you love cooking, you might have a talent for recipe development or culinary arts. Use your passions as a starting point to explore new talents and skills. In conclusion, it's time to break free from the limitations we've placed on ourselves and start exploring our hidden talents and passions. True success and fulfillment come from using our unique skills to make a positive impact in the world, not just from conforming to society's narrow definition of success. So take some time to reflect on what comes naturally to you. Ask for feedback from others, and try new experiences. You might be surprised by what you discover. And remember, the journey to discovering your hidden talents is not always easy, but the rewards are worth it. So don't be afraid to take a leap of faith and pursue your true calling. Start today and make the world a better place with your unique talents and passions. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please share it with your friends who might benefit from it too. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time.